Now we're starting a whole brand new week of Hod. And last week, Netzach, we were concentrating on being successful and victorious and getting the power of Nitzachon and so forth. But now we're starting a whole new week, and the week is called Hod. And I explained already a few times that Hod can be explained in two ways. Hod can be Hodaya, meaning that I thank, being thankful, which is an extremely important midah to constantly be thankful for the good and the bad. But Hodaya is also can be admitting, coming from the word in Hebrew lehodot. And I explained that so many times that you wake up in the morning, what do we say? Modeh ani lefanecha. So I thank Hashem for giving me back my soul. But you can take it to a completely different direction and say, Modeh ani lefanecha means I admit in front of you that you are Melech Chai v'Kayam, you are the king that gives life, and you give me life. I'm not doing anything. I'm a balloon of air, and if Hashem decides to go like this, then I'm a nothing. So I admit in front of the Kadosh Baruch Hu, you are the master of the universe, not me. I don't do anything here. I am literally a puppet. You are the master. This is called Hodaya. As one way you have the thanking, another way you have the admitting. Now what am I admitting exactly? I have to admit, what does that mean that I admit? That I make sure that I give you your space. This is not an easy thing to do because I always look at my needs, my space, my desires, me. I don't care so much about you. Shh, no, I'm talking right now, not you. Why are you pushing? So this is a very bad midah. I need to now completely reverse it and to start admit, wait a minute, you also exist, and you also exist, and you also exist, and you have your thoughts, and you have your desires, and you have feelings, and you have dreams, and I'm one of the people here. I'm not me, and then the world is evolving around me. So we start by admitting that you exist, and you have room in my life. I can't run your life. I can't tell you what to do. I can't expect you to do things. I definitely can't take advantage of you. I have to admit that you exist the same way that I exist. And you know what that means? That I have to give you the space to operate how you need to operate. And in most cases, it's not necessarily going to be so good for me because you have to be you. I can't impose on you my needs and my desires. I can't impose on you my opinions. I can't impose on you anything. I need to make sure that you have your space and you have to shine in your colors. Now, how can I really build a real good connection with you that's based on honesty and love? Is only if I let you be you. I can't demand you to be something. Now again, don't take my words out of context and says, wait a minute. If the person, let's take just example, one out of many. I am living in a marriage. Right now the spouse is doing a certain act that is not appropriate. I'm allowed to tell them, listen, this is not appropriate. Please don't do it. It bothers me. This is not what I'm talking about. Of course you have to have a conversation with somebody. If somebody bothers you, you're allowed to tell the person, please don't do it. It's bothering me. But what I'm saying is that I cannot try to redefine you to fit me because I don't like what you say.